I wish my dick was smoking right now.
You set high standards for your business. Your payments terminal should meet them. Square Terminal is a better way of taking payments your way. It's fast and easy for you and your customers. There are no hidden fees and no long-term contracts, so your costs stay low. So stop settling and start accepting more from your payments terminal.
Back home in the suburb of Bluebell, Harrison went to work on building a prototype out of his collection of string parts. This machine became known as the bone generator, which was output to an oscilloscope. As the name implies, the bone generator was able to generate animations of at least the lower half of stick figures, which function from a central point, with further points of movement that resembled knees and feet. As best as my non-computer brain can deduce, the position and movement of each limb was programmed into the machine, which in turn would project them in a specific direction and sequence, then retract back into the so-called standing position of each line. At the same time that Lee Harrison was playing around with his bone generator, Bell Labs, the old Ma Bell, went to work on explicitly computer-generated animation. The first confirmed use of computer animation was in a 1962 short film on the effects of a nuclear explosion. I had no luck finding this film. The earliest example of computer animation that I can find dates to 1963. It's a 1-minute example of vector graphics. The earliest raster-based example I can find dates to 1964. It's a rather dry, slow, silent informational short describing the Flick, the Bell Flick process that Bell Labs was developing at the time. The remnants of this style can still be periodically seen today. The most famous of the Bell Labs films would